Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Europe. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Europe has long been a trading hub for speculating on price changes in the Forex market. And with the economic impact of the global coronavirus pandemic, many new traders are considering entering the markets to put their skills to the test. Beginner traders should start by finding themselves a globally regulated, reputable, and a safe broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Europe and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local European investors. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Europe. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have ThinkMarkets. ThinkMarkets is an online broker that was founded in 2010, with its head office located in Australia. Regulated by the FCA and the ASIC, ThinkMarkets is a globally recognized, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, precious metals, shares, CFDs, and commodities. Their accounts feature standard, Think Zero, Islamic and joint accounts with tighter spreads, lower minimum account opening balance, 24-hour 5 days a week live support, access to their free virtual private servers, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own ThinkTrader application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. ThinkMarkets also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading guides, a variety of written articles, market news and analysis panels, as well as their very own economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with ThinkMarkets. At number 4 on our list is FXPrimus. FXPrimus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering Forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, and is used by over 10,000 traders. FXPrimus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including 43 currency pairs, specializing in Forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP, Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support services, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FXPrimus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar, for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FXPrimus. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. At number 2 on our list is eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application. eToro's trading platform is a user-friendly custom trading platform, which is available as a browser-based web application. Their mobile application is supported on Android and iOS operating systems. Featured accounts are available on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Europe, we have Plus500. Plus500 is a popular online trading broker, which has been in operation since 2008, has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions, and offers sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly and reliable trading platform, using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, and ensures that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers popular trading strategies and guides to help you with any additional education that you might be looking for. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Europe on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.